In the vibrant village, Mira, a curious cat, begins her daily exploration, the vivid sky above, promising another day of wonder. Harmony fills the air as trees sing in a chorus of colors. Yet a subtle discord stirs within Mira as she spots encroaching shades of gray. A frown deepens on Mira's face as she senses the unsettling shift, the peaceful facade of her village slowly fading. Mira walks by the Rainbow River, its once vibrant colors now faded and dim. A group of glowing butterflies flutters weakly, their light dimming. A butterfly speaks with urgency. The color sources are fading. You must find them before our world turns gray. Mira cautiously enters the dark, echoing cave, the air heavy with dampness. Faint voices echo from the cavern's depths, beckoning her deeper into the unknown. She discovers a somber gathering of paintbrushes with drooping bristles, weighed down by an unseen burden. Mira steps into the hidden grove, now cloaked in shadow, as the glowing crystals fade. She understands the crystals react to emotions, and a surge of determination washes over her. As she expresses joy and wonder, the crystals respond, their light growing stronger. The grove explodes with color, bathing Mira's face in a radiant spectrum of light. As Mira steps back into the village, color floods back, banishing the gray. The sky above bursts with vibrant hues. Trees sway and rustle with joy. The villagers erupt in celebration, embracing the importance of creativity and emotion.